Hey, welcome to Credit Makes Sense with Netiva, the Frugal CrediTnista, where we talk about money, credit, and everything in between. Super excited to come to you today with some home buying questions for our partners so we can make sense of some things. If you don't know me, I own M&H Financial Services.com, a financial education services firm that teaches women and couples over 30 how to create custom credit solutions so they can crush their financial goals. I also own the amazing Bod.com Financial Literacy School, Credit on Fire Academy, where we teach our members how to master their money, destroy their debts, soar their credit scores so they can leverage it to create wealth. Let's make sense of some things. I just got a couple of questions, and they are all pertaining to home ownership. One of them is I am approved for a home. We actually just put a contract on it that was accepted. So now I'm about to do the whole appraisal and inspection and all of that. And I need a car. My car went down, and I need it based on the distance that I have to travel to work and also picking up the kids. What do you suggest? I suggest that you do whatever you need to do without adding on debt, without getting an inquiry to your credit report, without snatching the keys to your new home, in so many words. If you get an inquiry and you add on a debt load after a lender has already approved based on what your finances look like at that time, and then you go on and you put something else on it, what's going to happen is those keys are going to get snatched away. So I don't know what you want to do. You want to Uber? You want to make arrangements with a relative? You want to carpool? What are you going to do? Those are your options, but getting a new car is not the option right now. Wait till after you've got the keys to your new home. Usually, from the time of contract to close, you got anywhere from some lenders 21 days, others 40 days. You can make arrangements of that short amount of time so that you don't have to start from scratch with getting reapproved with this new car loan. So you have max 40 days to make arrangements. Uber, getting a family member or friend's assistance, carpooling. Do what you got to do to make those arrangements so that you can make sure you close as smoothly as possible. Next question. I helped a friend out and I lent them some money out of my down payment amount. Well, the time has come. I'm literally about a week from closing. They have not paid me back. I am panicking right now. What do I need to do? This is not your friend, okay? Because if they know that you've been working hard in order to get at home and then you lent them money with the expectation that they would have it back, oh, that sucks. I mean, you can't make somebody pay you back. I mean, you're going to have to try to find this money somewhere else. You can talk to your lender to say if there's maybe any down payment programs that may be available to you in this short hour, if you can maybe find a way to reduce the amount that you have to bring to the table by some kind of means. It could be the seller concession. Talk to your realtor. I mean, not too many realtors are looking to give you any of their commission because they have to get approved by their broker in order to help you out. And I would not go that route. The reason why I bring this up, realtors, is because she actually mentioned that. Don't come for our money because, you decided to help a friend out. Go to your friend. Go to your friend. We work hard. Don't come for our commission and then, I mean, you may find some, but I would never do that again. I've done it before. I won't do it again because at the end of the day, everybody's happy. And I guess I should be happy that you're happy, but I'm not because my money is used to take care of my family as well. So no, don't go to your realtor asking for some of her commission. I will go to your friend, see if you can work out getting your money back. I will look into some other avenues in order for you to start getting some money and side hustle. Okay. You said what can you do? Can you Uber like crazy for a week? Lyft? Amazon Flex, make some deliveries. Instacart, that's up to like 20 something dollars an hour if you can get some good traction going. So what can you do in order to help yourself out? And then next time any friend asks you for something and you're taking that money from funds that you actually need, go ahead and spank yourself to stop yourself from doing it. You have a great heart, but they take advantage. She knew she could not pay you back when she asked for it, but her need was so much greater than your need that she told you what she needed to tell you in order to satisfy her need, and now you're left empty. And that's the worst feeling on the face of the planet. So this is a lesson learned, but you got to hustle up on some more money, discuss some options with your realtor and loan officer that does not involve taking money out of their pockets. I mean, lenders often have some concessions too and programs and all of that stuff. So have a frank conversation. And you might get chastised, so just be ready. This is a learning lesson. Final question. Oh, wow. am about to purchase a home, and I just found out that my son purchased some items in my name on a credit card that I knew nothing about. I also found out that I have unpaid, uh, I think this is Spectrum, as well as unpaid utilities that were in my name that I knew nothing about. What do you suggest that I do? I suggest, you didn't tell me if this hit your report yet. I suggest that you fill out an FTC, Fair Trade Commission's identity theft affidavit. You file a police report, and that there's an action and a reaction, and there's consequences for your actions. He made an action. These are the consequences. Now you can decide if you want to take care of all of this and postpone this home that you're about to close on and possibly even lose it and just wait and purchase another one. Or, I mean, either way, if this is going to hit your credit, you're going to have to wait and get this resolved. Either way. The thing is, how soon are you able to get resolved and meet your financial goal as well, which is home ownership? And what consequences is he going to have and that you're willing to stick by for his actions? Because I know, I can't tell you how many, well, I don't want to file charges against my mom. I don't want to file charges against my kids. I don't want to file charges against my ex. I don't want to. So your only choice is if you don't want to do that, halt the purchase, pay off everything, start from scratch and meeting your financial goal. Now you probably want to protect your own self and get like some type of identity theft protection. You want to freeze your credit reports and secure yourself so that he can't have access to your information anymore. But I'm all about consequences. If anybody steals from me, yep, I'm pressing charges without batting an eye. I don't care who it is. If you don't care about me, why should I care about you? You guys may not like that answer, but you asked me. We partners. You asked me. That's your partner answer, okay? If you guys have a better suggestion, definitely post them in the comments to any of the questions that we went through today. And I'm hoping this works out for you guys. You actually get to the point where you can claim the keys to your new home, because homeownership can be bomb if you know you're ready for it and you plan for it, and you're willing to make that, you're ready to make that transition. So hopefully this will work out for you guys. Definitely keep me posted inside of our free community Credit Makes Sense, because I want to hear about it. I want to hear about your progress and what happened and all of that good stuff, so we continue to support you through it. If you have any questions for me, you can post them to or send them to social@mnhfinancialservices.com, social@mnhfinancialservices.com, and I will see you next time.